This app, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from it. So once you log into your account, the first page that you will see is this, where people are live. You have different people from different parts of the world. So if you want to withdraw, you'll just click on me right here. So me is here. So if you click under me, you'll be able to see about yourself, everything about yourself, your level, task, agencies, game center, host center, activities, customer service, where you can, maybe if you have any problem, you can contact them. Also feedback down here. So if you want to withdraw, we have where we have coins and beans. So if you have beans is what you'll exchange to cash. And so let me see. Okay, you can see I'm having 18,578 coins. So I have to send them as gift to someone so that they can send it back to me, and it will be in form of beans. So if I click on exchange, that is under beans, you'll be able to see the amount you have in dollars. So you can see my beans right here. So you can see 27,000 coins is equal to 30,000 beans, you can see. So if you want to exchange, you can go ahead and exchange, but I can't because my beans are insufficient or less. If you want to withdraw, you just tap on withdraw. Or if you want this, if you have 270,000 coins, you can as well exchange them into 300,000 beans. So you can also do that, just tapping on it and it will go automatically. So if you tap on so this is the least amount you can exchange. So if you tap on exchange, it will direct you to where you're supposed to, so long as you have 30,000 beans. So you can see if you tap on withdraw right here, okay, so you can see the total amount for withdrawal, like total amount you have in your account for withdrawal, and withdrawal amount to be confirmed. So you can see the total amount of beans I have is worth this amount in dollars. So you can choose any payment method you want. So for example, for me, I prefer using a crypto, that is USDT, and you can see if you withdraw using USDT or crypto address, it will take 2 hours to arrive, and then fee will be 1.5%. So you have to link your TRC20 address. So if you want to withdraw through other ways, you have different methods that you can use to withdraw. Let's see. You can choose according to the country you are from. So you can see we have USDT, we have ePay, we have Binance, we have Pioneer, we have M-Pesa. So M-Pesa are for those people in Kenya or maybe Tanzania too, but this is for Kenya only. You can as well use M-Pesa if you're from Kenya, and the fee is quite higher than USDT or Binance. So I prefer using Binance or USDT. Also, PayPal is much higher. You can see if you withdraw through PayPal, it will take 24 hours to arrive, and again, fee is 4.5%. So I recommend Binance, that is crypto, or USDT. So for you to choose, after choosing payment method according to the country you're from, so long as all these payment methods are available in your country, you can choose one of them which is good for you, and you'll also have to consider the fee rates. So if after choosing the payment method you want to use, you have to bind your account. Like you can see, mine here is bound, so you have to bind your account. For example, let me pretend like I want to bind my Binance. So there you'll have to choose the coins and the address, then you submit. So as you can see already, I have one payment method bound already. So in case you have any question or any problem, you can contact customer care right here. So you can see, you can choose your country. We have different countries, we have many countries, so you can just choose your country right there. You can see we have almost all countries, even United States. You can see we have different countries, so it is available worldwide. Anybody can join. Remember, Niki Live app is just like TikTok. You can go live, you can do anything you do on TikTok, so there is no difference. The difference is that ways of earning are more than TikTok, or compared to TikTok. So guys, that is it. That is all you need to know when withdrawing money on Niki Live app. So see you in my next video.